During the next few minutes, you'll experience a full nervous system reset and mental clarity using the applied science guided process that works directly on your physiology for stress resilience, allowing your mind to work at its peak. We'll be guiding your nervous system back to coherence, resetting your vagus nerve, and optimizing heart rate variability for your brain to shift to alpha and theta states, restoring and enhancing mental clarity. My words go with you as you begin this journey, your body gradually releasing tension throughout, creating the perfect conditions for your natural intelligence to remember this optimal state. Let's begin by noticing your breath, becoming aware of how it moves through you naturally. Each inhale draws in oxygen, each exhale further releasing tension, carbon dioxide, and everything that no longer serves you. Continue breathing naturally, each inhale slightly deeper than the last, your nervous system recognizing the safety of this practice. In this moment, there's nowhere to go, nothing to fix, nothing to prove. Allow yourself to sink deeper into the stillness of this knowing. Your powerful nervous system has carried you through every moment in your life, your faithful guardian, constantly scanning, preparing, protecting. And now you can give it permission to rest and replenish its vital energy. With each breath, your body is recalibrating. Notice the tension fade as your body activates your autonomic intelligence and you discover how simple it is to just be here. Your heart rate finding its perfect rhythm as your muscles begin to soften and your mind becomes more open and clear. Every cell in your body exists in a natural state of infinite potential until the moment you choose to observe your experience. Your conscious mind might find that fascinating, while another part of you, the part that already knows, is integrating this truth on a cellular level. Notice how your nervous system responds when you bring awareness to the space between thoughts, where all possibilities exist simultaneously. In this space, your fight or flight response naturally dissolves, yielding to the rest and digest system. Your entire being remembering its natural state of coherent calm. Continue to deepen into this experience with every breath. Your vagus nerve, that magnificent highway of communication between your brain and body, begins resetting itself back to optimal function. You might notice a gentle tingling or a sense of warmth spreading from your throat through your chest, or simply a profound settling that happens without effort. This is your nervous system returning to coherence, finding its center, remembering its power to create the environment where clarity and peace naturally flourish. As your nervous system settles into this coherence, the fog lifts, the chatter quiets, the endless loop of concern, planning, and analyzing begins to slow, and in its place, a peaceful, crystalline clarity emerges. Your mind knows that clarity isn't something you chase or create. It's the natural state of a regulated nervous system. It's what remains when you drop into the liquid logic of connected consciousness, that state of coherence between the conscious and subconscious mind where deliberate intentions flourish. Before I guide you deeper into clarity, allow yourself to recognize how much lighter you feel and how clear your stream of consciousness has already become. Your prefrontal cortex coming back online as stress hormones naturally decrease. Your hippocampus, controlling memory and learning, ramps up to function at its peak as any inflammation recedes throughout your entire body. As you begin to think more clearly, processing information efficiently, making connections that seemed exhausting just moments ago. From this place of regulated calm and crystalline clarity, you can sense the quantum field of infinite possibility that surrounds and permeates every aspect of your being. Here, transformation is instantaneous, healing at the speed of thought, all versions of your future self available to you now. Understanding this, you see how your regulated nervous system and clarity become the foundation for all positive change. As your analytical mind quietly rests, your body is already beginning to reorganize itself around this coherence. Your cells are updating their programming, going back to their original, unadulterated function. Your neural pathways creating beneficial new connections. Your entire system aligning with the version of you that enjoys perfect regulation and clarity. And when your nervous system is calm more often than not, and your mind is clear, anything you really want to achieve can be figured out. Your deepest desires closer than ever before. Allow this new state of peaceful possibility to integrate fully into every cell of your being, becoming your natural state, your new normal. As you continue to rest in this space, your nervous system finding its way home, your mind is encoding this clarity as the new default, your entire being upgrading your baseline to this level of coherent calm. You trust this process because it's not something foreign being thrust upon you. It's you returning to your body and coming home to the intelligence that's always lived within your consciousness as it becomes more readily available on demand. With consistent practice, you'll find yourself carrying this state with you as you move through your day, noticing challenges that once triggered your stress response dissolve against your naturally regulated calm, discovering decisions that once felt overwhelming become instinctive through the lens of clarity. This nervous system regulation and clarity are more than temporary states you achieve because they exist within you, independent of external circumstance. They're a part of you now, in this moment, and always available anytime you choose to remember what you're capable of and invoke your conscious alignment and coherent calm. Fully grasping this, you're experiencing reality from a fundamentally different place. Your nervous system, now your trusted ally, your mind's powerful, dependable resources, supporting you at will. Your entire life unfolding from the foundation of this inner coherence, because you now control your stress response, deciding how you want to feel in any given moment. You found a way to overcome mental fog and indecision. Your regulated state of being creates clarity, bringing forward every essential resource you need from within. This self-mastery is your birthright, who you've always been underneath it all, and who you'll always come home to. As we complete this journey together, take a few more deep breaths and appreciate the profound shift. Your nervous system reconnecting to its wisdom, your mind reclaiming clarity, and your consciousness as a whole in tune with the quantum field of infinite possibility. As you prepare to return to your waking state, trust this new level of regulation and clarity as it continues to deepen and strengthen with each involuntary breath. You'll carry this peace deep within you, accessing this clarity whenever you need, knowing you have everything within to create this experience intentionally. Whenever you're ready, allow your awareness to gently return to the room, grateful for this time you've given yourself, knowing transformation has begun at the deepest level. Take your time. There's no rush. You are exactly where you need to be. Take a moment to appreciate and enjoy how different you feel now. If you noticed a profound shift, a simple like helps others find this experience. And if you'd like more guided sessions like this, or have techniques you want me to break down or demonstrate, let me know in the comments. Until next time.